Hello friends, so in this video I'll show you how to launch Unity and start some projects, 3D projects. So let's start a new project here. A purpose to select 3D and then here we are 3D demo and the location, select the location where you want to create the project. Here you can delete this main camera, and along with this also download the plugin for Vuforia Vuforia engine plugin. So you can click here to download it. You can see the link also here. You can just search Vuforia plugin. You can see that Vuforia download. Okay, so after downloading that, this is the package. So you can click here and import in the Unity SDK, Unity framework, updated. By the time you can also download low poly images of Trump. So you'll find a zip file. Okay, so it will show, and then here you can right click and download it. I have already downloaded it, so I have also extracted it, so I will just drag it here in the Unity. Okay, create a AR camera because we have deleted the main camera. AR camera. Okay, and then Vuforia engine image target, and then go to low poly Trump animation, and select this idle 01, drag it to image target. Okay, and then click on AR camera. Open Vuforia configuration. Here you have to add the license key, so you have to again log into your developer.vuforia.com. Okay, go to license manager. So if you have not created, you have to create this. This is very easy work. And then go to target manager, and then add a database. So I have added this to database. You can add a new database here. So let's say AR VR 3D demo device. You can create here, and you can add new sets of images here. So add target. You can download some image, world image, whatever image you want to project in front of the camera. You can download it here. So I have already created it, but I will again show you some of the, let's say this globe. Save image as globe. You can say add browse globe. Here width just give 5. Okay, it's you can select other images in your, you can just select this image world that I have downloaded already. So it should be maximum 2 MB, and then it should follow all the criteria here. So I have downloaded actually this image globe. You can also, I'll show you just this image you can download. So this was I think less than 2 MB, and it is fulfilled all the criteria. Okay, so just download and put this image, world target manager. But I have already downloaded this AR/VR demo, so you have an option to download all. Okay, now you have to import this in Unity. You have downloaded, you can also download a single image from here, but since I can use one of the images as a target, I am downloading all. So import. So I have already imported, so no need to import already. Okay, yeah, it's add. I have not added it. And then add the key here. Okay, that key which I have copied from the license manager. I have copied the key, so we have to add it, and we have to make sure that during adding key we are on AR camera, and then open Vuforia engine configuration, and this image target should be, so when you click on sample scene, then go to game object and then add this image target. Okay, we have added this. And what is our image target? From database. So we have our database there, AR demo, and then we have an image called world. Okay, this image. So I will just start the camera here, and I will show the world image in front of camera.
So now I will open the same image in my mobile so that I can keep in front of camera and see it has been detected by the engine, and the Trump image has been projected. So I have to, so same image which you have set in the target, you have to use in front of camera. If you have the image, then only. So whatever image you have googled and downloaded and put in the target in the developer Vuforia, you can open the same image in the mobile so that you can project it. So it's a sample show, and you can create very different funny and other games also using the same technique. So guys, you need